last of my scrap metal, ladies and gentlemen. Look, I think the chickens like me every time I come here. They come out and check me out. They freaking like me. Gonna load the rest of this shit up. Them shelves are pretty heavy. A chair, some fridge parts, bunch of crap, ski, aluminum, cans of aluminum. They're surrounding the Picker mobile, ladies and gentlemen. You scared of Johnny? Thought you were brave. What? My goodness. Alright guys, scrapping metal with John the Picker. This is load number 3 from the country girl's house. Got some shelving in there, wheelbarrow, bicycle, and a chair. I'm going to scrap this shit at the local recycling center. Let's see what we get for it. Cut you back in when we get there. Oh yeah. Guys, at the scrap yard with load number 3. Scale, get our weight today. Looks like it's a little muddy around the picker hood. Skirt. We're gonna pull up over here and throw our crap off today. Guessing right here where it's not so muddy. We still got the old derby car back there, ladies and gentlemen. The old freaking derby car. Yep, I'm gonna throw my shit off. Preferably in a scrap area. Vehicles, folks, before we leave today. What? That one. No top. That one. Holy shit, man. Sweet. Alright guys, we got our check from the scrapyard. Now we gotta go cash that beast. What is that? Holy shit, man. That is awesome. Freaking awesome. Yep, I gotta go cash my scrap check. Get back with you at the bank. Alright guys, this is the end of the country girl scrap pile. 360 pounds of metal. I got $18 for it. That ain't bad. Not bad at all. Shouts out to the girl who gave me all the friggin' scrap metal. I love that kind big times. I got $18. Plus I still got some radiators and stuff to scrap. If you like scrapping shows, tune in to John the Picker because we're going to be making some more. Oh yeah, another 18 bucks to add to the collection of money. Ski.